The small birds that we see in our feeders every day can be quite interesting to watch, and we can easily forget just how wide the range of sizes of birds can come in. From chickadees to ostriches and everything in between, birds are actually quite diversified. The harpy eagle is no exception to this, and this remarkable bird has a lot going for it. The harpy eagle is considered the large, most powerful eagle in the world. It can grow to at least 42 inches long and have tremendously large feet to support that weight. And on the end of those toes are talons that were designed with killing in mind. They use those large claws that grow to 3 or 4 inches long to capture and kill their prey before treating themselves to a fresh meal. These claws are about as big as a grizzly bear's, so you know they mean business. In fact, these birds can take down primates and sloths. That's just how powerful they are. They swoop in on a wingspan of about 7.5 feet across, leaving very little room to escape from its claws of death. But they're not just about killing. These birds have an incredible display of feathers on their heads that give them a somewhat surprised appearance. Almost looking like a pair of tufted ears, the wonderful gray color of their plumage lends them to looking like ghosts, but there's nothing supernatural about them. Their strength and size are very real and should be respected as the wonderful raptors that they are. Share away, people!